Mommy. Okay, so
welcome
what
to
are we
the
doing
Mommy and Chelsea show.
Yes.
Today we are doing we are making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
You don't have to fold the bread. Yes. So, of course, we have our peanut butter.
I will get the jelly.
Okay, we'll get the jelly, please.
Is this the jelly?
Yes.
You know
and jelly. Of course, this is strawberry jelly. For those of y'all who like to know, that's strawberry preserves. And, of course, just creamy peanut butter. I personally don't
like to smell it. With my nose. Can I smell it first? No, it's from the bottle. Smell that, guys? That is the smell of fresh air. Fresh peanut butter. And fresh jam. Butter.
So, of course, the first step is to
do the peanut butter.
The peanut butter.
On my mommy.
Gotcha. How's y'all days doing? The next step is, of course, going to be the jelly. First, you get the peanuts and you crush it. So, of course, the next step is the jelly. Then you take the jelly and you spread it. Y'all remember that song?
Then you take the jelly and you spread it.
For the peanut butter jelly. I think that's how the song went.
For the jelly with the peanut butter and the peanut butter with the jelly. The cookies.
Well, I don't know where my little helper just disappeared to, but now that we are done, you take the peanut butter and the jelly and you put them together. And after we put them together, we
have the peanut butter and we have the jelly.
And you bite.
Subscribe, like, and hit the comments down below.
Bye.
And have a great pizza making day.
You mean peanut butter and jelly making day?
Pizza.